It's Brad's Laboratory.
Okay, bought a lamp at Goodwill. I've been buying these to help with the lighting in the shop for when I'm doing video. Seems to be in pretty good shape. I mean, this is dinged up a little bit, but you know, it doesn't really matter for what I'm doing. The main problem with these when you buy them from Goodwill is they're always missing the base. So I'm just going to take this old block of wood that's it's a chunk of pallet that's been chopped off. You can see where the nails were at before. Just going to drill a couple holes so I can bolt it to the wall, and then drill a hole in it, probably like right about there, that the lamp will fit into. So let's get cracking here. First thing we do is we measure this. We're at about right at a ½ inch. So that'll be a pretty easy hole to drill. So that's the ½ inch hole. You can see it's just about the same size as that. Start out a little bit smaller. My drill bits are getting pretty old and dull. Alright, there it is. I mean, this is for my shop, so it doesn't have to look very pretty, but I mean, obviously you could, you know, if I was making it for the house, I would have, you know, cut this off with my table saw so it was square, and I would have sanded it all down and, you know, stained it or something. But yeah, that's, you know, basically it. That's all you really need. Let's go ahead and get it mounted. Okay, there she is, all attached. Come on. Everything's got to be right in the way, doesn't it? There it goes. Alright, it's kind of wedged in there against where I kind of hang my creeper dolly, but that's going to provide plenty of light on the bandsaw there when I'm doing some close-ups of some cutting work.
It's Brad's Laboratory. It's kinda crazy and a little bit weird, but it's gonna be awesome sauce, 'cause it's Brad's Laboratory. It's Brad's Laboratory.